Hi, good day. This is our daily routine 196. At may mga maaga tayong customer today. At ito si ma'am, 9 pieces ang kanyang order, lahat large. 6 pieces Spanish latte, 1 dark choco, 1 brown sugar, and 1 Spanish chocolate. At ayun, tuloy-tuloy ang ating walk-in at deliveries online. At ayun na nga, close na tayo. Kung mapapansin nyo, patay na yung ilaw, may humabol pa ng order. So, tinake order ko pa rin yan dahil kahit 12:30 at magko-close na tayo, kailangan pa rin nating i-accept yung order. Deliveries naman to. So, ayun lang naman ang scenario for today's video. Kita-kits ulit tayo bukas.